In this video we will show how to use the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device. Step 1. Remove the lancing device cap. Remove the cap by rotating it and then pulling it straight off the device. Step 2. Insert a sterile lancet into the lancing device. Align the lancet so that the lancet fits into the lancet holder. Push the lancet into the device until it snaps into place and is fully seated in the holder. The OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device uses OneTouch Delica or OneTouch Delica Plus Lancets. Twist the protective disc one full turn until it separates from the lancet. Save this protective disc since we will be needing this later. Step 3. Replace the lancing device cap. Place the cap back onto the device, turn the cap or push the cap straight on to secure it. Ensure the cap is aligned. Step 4. Adjust the depth setting. The device has 13 puncture depth settings. Each dot shown between numbers 1 to 7 on the depth wheel indicates an additional available depth setting. Adjust the depth by turning the depth wheel. Smaller numbers are for a shallower puncture and larger numbers for a deeper puncture. Try a shallower setting first and increase the depth until you find the one deep enough to get a blood sample of the proper size. Step 5. Cock the lancing device. Pull the slider back until it clicks. If it does not click, it may already have been cocked when you inserted the lancet. Step 6. Puncture your finger. Hold the lancing device firmly against the side of your finger. Press the release button. Remove the lancing device from your finger. Gently squeeze and/or massage your fingertip until a round drop of blood forms. Step 7. Remove the lancing device cap. Remove the cap by rotating it and then pulling it straight off the device. Step 8. Cover the exposed lancet tip. Before removing the lancet, place the lancet protective cover on a hard surface, then push the lancet tip into the flat side of the disc. Step 9. Eject the lancet. Holding the lancing device, push the slider forward until the lancet comes out of the lancing device. If the lancet fails to eject properly, cock the device, then push the slider control forward until the lancet comes out. Step 10. Replace the lancing device cap. Place the cap back onto the device, turn the cap or push the cap straight in to secure it. This is how to use the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device. Thanks for watching.